Hello, people. What's up? What's up? Welcome back to Corguda's ENT, people. Yes, people. So, on BBC News, people, let's see it for yourself. Let's see it for yourself. Jamaican man is viewed as the most faithful man across the Caribbean following a recent university study. Listen to me. Anybody will go to university, there, anybody will go to university, they're not getting no credits. They're not getting no credits. We're not wasting no time. Collect back on the money. Collect back on the money. The same university we studied this year, we not go for the money. Them not teaching the right thing. Go back for on the Jamaican man are the most faithful what? Faithful what? Them man they will just come out of our next woman front and come on and tell us that them love you. Most faithful where? Hey people. People what do you think about this? This is joke to me. Faithful where? No, sir. They're not faithful. They're not faithful none at all. Them always a look at next woman. Always. When them see up on your phone and them a go on like say, oh, I wonder if somebody else here talk to on the phone or something. And them always have 5, 6 women that talk to on the phone. And all of them are their friend. Faithful where? No go back for the money, man. Go back for the money. Go back for the money. No, sir. But no, so now rub me out enough for that one, you know. But I'm in a business. You understand? But people, this when I see this post, I say I have to do a review of it because I have to hear what the people them have to say about it. Because I know say this not go so. You understand? The money always are on to something else. Yes, they're always hunting. Them not liar. And them lie. Them lie. Let me tell you so them lie them. Why? All of the Jamaican man friend them are gonna rub me out, you know. Rub out my blow out, yeah. I deserve it. But guys, anyway, put fun and joke aside. I want y'all to comment down below and tell me what y'all think about this review. You know, I want y'all to tell me what you think about the review. For me, let me give y'all my honest opinion. It have man that is not loyal, you know, not faithful. Likewise, it have woman that is not faithful. So what I was saying before, it was just a joke and thing, guys. But it have both party which is not faithful. Okay, have some woman listen to me, man, and worse that man. No faith, no inner them most is faithful. You understand? Yeah. Likewise, that man don't not settle down. You see some of them are road and a night you go to some party and you have to wonder, him really did have a woman or him have a wife? No, sir, him can't have a wife because every night you see him and you see them with a different woman. Every night. And you never see them with the right one. Where them real woman. Them part that one day yard like a furniture. She can't go nowhere. You are idiots. You know woman will like make man park on like a furniture woman go out every night. I know it's a female that really don't like to go out. Like don't like to go out. Don't like to party. But come on, guys. If me have a man and him like go everywhere and him not invite me none at all, and he's always, oh, me I'm a bridging them. Is it them a fish? Snapper? Or something? I have some woman on road. You understand? And enough of these guys living double life. Because some of you woman are so stupid. When you meet some of them man, yeah, and all of a sudden every day them want to come for your yard and them nah can't go for them yard, you know. Them nah can't go for them yard. And nah question it because guess what I say? Oh, he's always around me and him always there in my yard. You understand? How comes as you and him meet in the yard? When him used to stay and when him used to live. You understand? Then he would disappear for some hours. And he claims he go out every night and he leave out early and come back at uno. Careful of them man, you know. Careful of those man. You understand? Some of them and their family them have. That's why them can't carry uno. That's why them can't carry uno home. Because someone is home. But them treat the one that them have home bad. You understand? And them run that they want the head so them can do anything at all they want with him. And some of you laga head woman we call on herself wife. I'm gonna start from you now. Cause some of you disgrace the woman. Some of you we call on herself wife, you disgrace the woman. Because you sit down and make the boy them treat on like a nobody. Nobody. Them gone every time with woman. And you terrorize the other woman them and you terrorize the other woman them. You understand? On you terrorize the other woman them and you cuss the man then right back on the right back with the man. Oh, his babe and his husband. No for uno a disgrace. Uno know just stay with the man them because uno want for son married. I don't want for son have a man. Uno need to let go, man. Let go. Some of uno, let me repeat it again. Some of uno girl was so a wife. Uno know uno just stay with the man them because no one can tell people, oh, I'm a wife. What kind of wife? What kind of wife are you? You have wife which is wife, which get wife treatment now. And you have wife which park a yard and nobody know about she. You understand? Man no can go nowhere. You understand? So know the difference. Are you a furniture wife? Or are you a wife that is a real wife that get wife treatment? Because I'm tell you something. Even though me married, if me never married and my freaking husband feel like say him want treat me certain way, listen to me. I quit divorce that. Quit divorce. But now stay with no boy just for say, oh, I am married. Oh, I am a wife. Me, you're crazy. Crazy, 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 you crazy. Me not do that. So I do that for. After me no ring bearer. Someone know the everywhere ring. Me no ring blood plate bearer. Me no ring bearer. We no unhappy. Clean up on the folly grounds, man. Sometimes you might marry to somebody and think say they be a soulmate. No. They are not a soulmate. And don't talk about, oh, we spent so much years together, so I'm not gonna let go. I'm not gonna let go because we spent so much foolishness that. Foolishness. If over the years you just say they go through shit, what do you think them are gonna change? Anyway, guys, thank you for making it. Correctness ENT. Big up on yourself, people. I want to leave a positive comment down below what y'all think about the study of Jamaican mans. Bye, guys. Blessing to you all. I am